simple plug and play, and I really didn't want to cut and solder a bunch of wires, but I still wanted an RGB section that could do multiple colors. So that was the box. Come over here. I decided to wire the control unit to an accessory switch under my dash. So come underneath my dash, and you can see right here is the control unit. Control unit is powered on and off by a switch, simple on, off right here, just for backup. And then I have a fuse right here. So that control unit comes right into these wires, which are my control units for the LEDs. Kit comes with plenty of splitters and such, but the nicest thing about them is they're pre-crimped and everything's already done, so this just plugs into a splitter, plugs in a connection, and there is one of the LEDs right here. And then here is a connection that's not connected. You can see it just plugs right in. This long run right here would be going to my bow for the other side of the boat. LED placements up front. I do not have any cup holders in my open bow, so the best place to wire them was right here where I have a little angled reveal. They shine forward into the bow. I have one here, one over on this side, light up there real nice. Right back here to the passenger seat. I have one right underneath there, wired there. They also come with plenty of mounting hardware. They're backed with 3M double-sided tape. Mounts very securely. You can see these clips are all nice and secure. And then it came with plenty of these connections, 1 foot, 3 foot, 2 foot, and 4 foot. And I just did a couple 4 foots for the bow run. They just all connect right back to the LED I have right back here. And then I have one as well in the back corner of the boat. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. Actually, I want to show you underneath the cup holders. I have mounted some more above the cup holders. I mounted a few. There's one there and one right there as well on both sides. They kind of come down and shine and illuminate this area very, very well. This is the remote control. It comes with a keychain attachment, and it's covered so it's a little bit water resistant. Go ahead and slide this back. You have 4 buttons here. C will turn the unit on and off. B will control color. A will control our flash pattern, and D will control flash speed. So you can do any sort of combination with this. Make it change colors smoothly, fastly, a little strobe action going on. Anything is very easy with this setup. I found it extremely easy to install. It did not take very long. Alright, here's my review. Do-it-yourself of XK Glow's interior boat LED kit. I used a 12-strip kit. It's a 15 color one. Let me go ahead and turn it on here. On the lake tonight. There's white. See, they're actually extremely bright. 15 colors. Now, along with the colors, there's different flash patterns you can do. You can change the speed of the flash pattern to make it go faster or slower. Obviously change the color while doing the flash pattern. You can make it smooth transition. You can make it a fast transition. Easily slow that down to slower transitions through the colors. Cup holders, I did 2 strips of LED. I got one right back here behind my driver's seat, one underneath my dash, 2 in the very, very front pointing forwards in the bow, one underneath the passenger seat, midway back, and then 2 in the back corners. And I think that does a pretty good job of lighting up the boat.